Hello everyone, today we're going to install Tilix on Pop OS. Tilix is an alternate terminal for your system. For whatever reason, if you are tired of using Gnome and you want to make a switch to something different, more customizable, Tilix might be the way for you. I'm going to post off the command that I used in the comment section. I mean, not in the comment section, in the description, so you guys can take a look and follow along. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.